Are you ready to become a certified brake inspector and ensure the safety of vehicles on the road? Welcome to our annual Brake Inspector Training, an online theory course designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in brake inspections. Our comprehensive program covers everything you need to know about brake systems, regulations, and inspection techniques. You'll learn about the intricate workings of brake systems, including pads, rotors, calipers, hydraulic systems, and more. Our course materials are carefully curated, providing you with in-depth resources and visual aids for a comprehensive learning experience. You'll gain practical knowledge on how to perform thorough brake inspections, ensuring compliance with safety regulations. We'll teach you how to accurately measure brake wear and thickness, allowing you to identify potential issues and make informed decisions. Collaborate with fellow students in interactive sessions, sharing insights, asking questions, and expanding your understanding of brake inspections. Upon successful completion of our annual brake inspector training, you'll receive a recognized certificate, showcasing your expertise. Don't miss the opportunity to become a certified brake inspector. Enroll in our online theory course today. Click on the link in the description and enroll today.